Okay, now let's talk about why C. Well, modular programming is the answer. Like most high-level languages, C is a modular programming language, but not an object-oriented language. Each task can be encapsulated as a function. Entire program is encapsulated in main function. To make this more clear, let's see the basic C program structure. First, there is the compiler, directives, and include files. Then there is declaration of global variables and constants. After that, we have a declaration of functions. Then we have a main function, which we saw in the previous lesson, and we have subfunctions in addition to interrupt service routines. This is the basic structure of any C program. Now, example, let's see this blinking lid example. This is our main function that we talked about earlier. This is a definition of one of the bins. We are setting a leg or a bin or an output to be as an output, not an input. This is while one infinite loop. This is our code. This piece of code will light a lid on. This will delay. This will light a lid off. This will delay. You don't need to understand these, but you have to see how this program is structured. This is the main function. These are the limits, the beginning and the end. Then we have a while loop, the beginning and the end, and this is the main code. This is a declaration sentence for the bin, and this is a simple example of blinking lid, a lid that will turn off for a second, then turn on for a second, then turn off, and will continue to do that indefinitely. Now let's back to C basics. All C programs consist of variables and functions. One of these functions must be the main, so that the program can understand that this is the function to be executed first, and each function has statements inside it, just like these lines. These are called statements. This is a quick overview of the basic C program structure and introductory example. Thanks for watching. This is Educational Engineering Team.